In this video we are going to create the page setup. In the earlier video we created the title block. Now in this we will continue creating the page setup. So to do that I will save this drawing as create page setup and click save. So what I am going to do is I will first delete this block. Then I delete one of the layouts here. So I will delete one layout, then I move back to the other one. Then I will rename this layout as, I double click here, A3 1:2000 A3 let us say 1:2000, like that. Now as I told you earlier, we are going to get the plan production into 1:2000 scale, which is the desired scale for the type of work we are doing. So now I have set my layout name to 1:2000 within A3 sheet. So I right click here, then go to page setup manager. Then I have the A3 sheet name here. I will modify it, and let us say my drawing would be Microsoft Print to PDF. Otherwise you can go to DWD to PDF, this one. Then you have to change the size into ISO full width A3, some kind of A3 sheet here. Then you don't have to change anything here, and your plot style table may be set to monochrome. It is better to set to monochrome, otherwise you can change it later as well. We will change it later. So I click OK. This plot style is on landscape mode, drawing orientation. So I click OK and click close here. Now it will create a A3 type page setup here. Now what I am going to do is I need to insert the block we created earlier into here. So let us say you are here. Don't go inside here. If you go click here, it will go inside the drawing. Instead you have to click outside. Make sure you can zoom in and out. Now type insert on your command line. Insert. Then you have the title block here in this drawing. Even though it is created, it is acting as a title block. So your insertion point is 0, 0, 0. So I'll right click here and go to insert. Now you can see it is correctly inserted into my drawing with the 10mm outside borders, right? So now our title block is correctly placed inside the page setup. Now we have completed creating the page setup, and as well as including the title block inside the page setup. So what we have to do next is we have to fill up these plot area with our drawing details. Before that we need to do something else, that is create viewports to show the plan and profile sheets.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press on bell icon.